If you replace the diesel fuel filter on a Volkswagen Golf 5 variant, Jetta, or Passat B6, and you also want to clean the fuel filter housing before installing the new filter element, it is very important to prime the fuel system after installation. This can be done easily with VCDS. Go to 01 Engine, then Basic Settings, select Fuel Supply Pump Activation, and set it to On. You will hear the fuel pump inside the tank start running and filling the fuel filter housing and the fuel lines with diesel. Once the system is fully filled, you will notice that the sound of the pump changes. This is the indication that the fuel system has been properly primed. Only after this procedure should you start the engine. This helps prevent hard starting and reduces the risk of air entering the fuel system.